Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in a new development in Palm Beach where they're building a town center, a hospital, more higher end amenities to attract businesses and residents, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So this model that we're walking up to now is actually their starting size for one of this builder's new construction luxury estate homes here in Avenir, coming in at 3,247 square feet under air and over 4,000 total square feet. With a huge swimming pool running the depth of the backyard, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, their homes have been loaded with luxury appointments and finishes like the high 12-foot ceilings, chef's kitchen with double ovens, a gas range and a commercial hood, a spa-like master bath, and built on the largest lots in Avenir. Their homes are a step above the other builders in the area in quality and in the experience, with delivering elegance and attention to detail in every room of the home. And with respect to this community that they're building here in Palm Beach Gardens, Avenir is a master plan development that will have nearly 4,000 homes across 4,500 acres of land, where they're building out multiple unique communities, a town center approved for retail, offices, dining, and entertainment. There will be nature preserves and walking trails, parks, and a high-end luxury golf club. A new charter school is in the works, along with a comprehensive medical campus within Avenir with a 53,000 square foot hospital with emergency services, plus 75,000 square feet of office space with primary care specialists and other outpatient services. There will be several private clubhouses for the residents in different phases of the development, each with their own resort pools, cabanas, splashpads, sports courts, playgrounds, and event hall and fitness centers. And the new clubhouse that will be finished this year for the newest phases will have its own full-service restaurant on site with a nail salon, massage rooms, sauna and steam rooms, and an indoor sports complex. Avenir is setting itself up to be the focus of luxury resort-style property in the Western Palm Beach area for the next decade. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes that they have available here in Avenir that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder here in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to help make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there's a huge benefit to have me on your side to answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere in Palm Beach, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.